Hey guys, welcome to The Fumble. I'm Crystal Marie. Randy Johnson is a man of distinction. The big unit, who joined Pedro Martinez, Greg Biggio, and John Smoltz as the newest member of the baseball's Hall of Fame on Sunday, accomplished a lot on his way to enshrinement. The 6'11" hurler struck out 10.61 ballers per 9 innings in his 22-year career, still the highest mark ever. His 4,875 strikeouts are the second most of all time, behind Nolan Ryan. He won 5 Cy Young Awards, second only to Roger Clemens' 7. And he's 22nd on the all-time wins list with 303. Oh, and he's also the only professional pitcher in recorded history to accidentally explode a bird with one of his pitches. In a 2001 spring training game with the Arizona Diamondbacks, right in the middle of Johnson's streak of 4 consecutive Cy Youngs, a dove, who must have not been a baseball fan, flew between Johnson and the San Francisco Giants' Calvin Murray. It didn't end well for the bird. Then again, the Diamondbacks won the World Series that season, and Johnson was the series MVP. Maybe Major League's Pedro Serrano was right about bird sacrifice all along.
Here's the pitch, swings and misses.
Should have gotten a live chicken.
To watch a Cincinnati Reds fan run on the field during a game and then escape security, click here. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events.